guys, it's me again with my friend Dara Declan. And we're doing a video on this boat. Just a quick video. Hallelujah, we're allowed on it now. Can you hold us?
Yeah.
Get in there. So this... Yeah, getting in this problem. Ah, smells beautiful inside of it. Just the only thing is, last time we actually done the boat was like I don't know, I was 3. This last time I went on the boat I was 3, so it looks really dirty.
Here.
But it smells so nice.
Go to the back of the boat. I'm going to turn the steering wheel. Look at it.
Yeah, he's going to turn the steering wheel. Go.
It is.
Go again. It's cool. Now taking it out, Dara, I think it's going to be so fun. Okay, I'll come back in. I kind of fell in a way. Oh, that smell.
Yes.
Yeah, I know, it's just like it was before and it's still not with a sense of smell. I'm going into the front room.
Yeah, there's a picnic table, like right here.
I'm in the front room, Dara.
Yeah, the front. This is the front.
It looks very dirty, that's just the rain falls through that. We're getting it fixed soon. And
you cannot get out. Because I just locked the door.
And there's a bug.
I just locked the door so you can
Go away.
get out.
Yeah, that's the front room. Very nice indeed. I'm going on to Footy. Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Oh,
This is the front with like the
Ready?
seat and everything. Yeah.
Listen carefully. We don't physically know what it does, but
Yeah, we don't.
will we do the picnic table?
Yeah.
Put the camera down like somewhere here.
No, I'll be able to do it. One hand.
Would you? 3, 2, 1, go. Ah. This is the picnic
So
table.
this is the picnic table. We've got cup holders.
It looks very nice,
Pieces
doesn't it?
of-
You
Yeah.
can't get a proper view of what.
Can you take this bit
Oh
off?
yeah. That can the zips there. So.
Yeah. So you can make a rooftop boat or a roofless boat.
This was a roofless boat.
Yeah.
Then it started raining, so got cover for it. And then,
It's a nice boat.
yeah, very nice indeed.
Yeah.
Ready?
Turn. Yeah. No, Aiden, you have to turn it like really hard. Keep going.
Good luck.
No. Other way. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, it's moving a lot now, actually.
Is it? You
Yeah.
do it. You have to do it the whole way around.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Hold on. Go. Is it gone?
Yeah.
Go right.
You're going left.
Left. Wait. What?
You're going left when you steer right. Steer right. You're going left.
Hold on, let me.
When you went left. Here, you steer to the right. You go and steer to the
Oh,
right.
it's starting to rain, I think.
Steer right. Really hard.
Okay, I'm going to steer right.
Oh, sorry, left. Go left. Yeah, you're going left. Go right. And it was just because you were at a different angle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Soon it's going to be cleaned up very nice. It's fun to play games in if you have guns and stuff.
Yeah,
And,
we do have.
and it looks like you're sinking because it's leaned backwards. If you just stood up straight and didn't hold yourself, you would actually fall backwards. And is that it, Dad? Will we just end it now? So, peace, bros.